Should you repay the loan or invest the money? This is a very critical question. बहुत सारे लोग ये बात पूछते हैं because a lot of people think कि आपको अपनी liabilities कम करनी है, which is right. But at the same time, you also have to build some healthy assets for yourself. तो ये जो decision है, ये बहुत सारे multiple factors पे depend करता है, such as what kind of loans you have, right? What the interest rate of your loan is, what the potential return on your investments is going to be, what your financial goals are, and what your risk tolerance is. So today we're going to talk about how these factors impact your particular decision making and which option would be more suited in your case. The very first thing that you need to understand, that you need to evaluate, is what kind of loans you have. Ideally, education loan और home loan दो ऐसे loans हैं इंडिया में जिन पे आपको tax rebate भी मिल जाता है. Whereas personal loan और car loan पे ये tax rebate आपको नहीं available होता है. तो आपको ये इवैल्यूएट करना है आपका कौन सा लोन कितना इंटरेस्ट चार्ज कर रहा है. लेट्स से अगर कोई लोन है, there's a होम लोन जिस पे आज के टाइम पे प्रेवलेंट रेट्स आर 9%. इस 9% होम लोन पे आप 30% टैक्स सेव भी कर सकते हैं अंडर द सेक्शन 24P. दैट वुड एक्चुअली मीन दैट योर एक्चुअल कॉस्ट ऑफ बोरोइंग would come down from 9% to only 6.3%. अब होम लोन्स यूजुअली होते भी 15 से 20 साल के लिए हैं. So instead of me repaying this particular loan, if I reinvest the same money in, let's say, the equity market, and it gives me a 12 to 15% return, so I would end up making more profit in the equity market than what I have to pay out of my own pocket towards the loan. This particular concept is called financial leveraging, right? अब अगर इसी की जगह आपके पास है, let's say, personal loan, right, which is charging you 12, 15, 18% of interest, right? या फिर कोई क्रेडिट कार्ड लोन है जिस पे बहुत हाई इंटरेस्ट रेट है, तो इन दैट केस फाइनेंशियल लेवरेजिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट काम नहीं करता. तो व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज दीज काइंड ऑफ लोन्स जहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट रेट्स बहुत हायर हैं और इन्वेस्टमेंट पे आपको रिटर्न शायद उतना नहीं मिलेगा, those you need to finish off as soon as you can. If you have any doubts about how the math works behind this, you can either put your query in the comment box or reach out to us. Another factor that influences our decision is how risk averse somebody is. If you are likely to withdraw your investments, and I'm particularly talking about equity investments which are volatile in nature, as soon as you see a downfall, if you are likely to withdraw your investments, financial leveraging might not even work for you, right? Whereas paying off the loan in that case would actually reduce your debt. In these cases, it is often advisable that you get in touch with a professional financial advisor so that they can assess your particular situation, your financial goals, your asset mix, right? And they can guide you accordingly. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If this kind of content is what you're interested in, you can subscribe to our channel. We post weekly these kinds of videos. And also, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any notification from us.